Literally, this happened just now. One of my favorite makeup palettes just ruined. I never used it. This is the first time I was showing on camera and then. No! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eyeshadow and I hope that everyone is doing good. And welcome back to the second part of the contrast makeup trend. And today we are doing the medium contrast makeup. I have done the low contrast makeup video before, and if you want to know, you can just check it out in the description box below. And today is the medium contrast makeup video, and I will do two looks, one for the day, one for the night, like previously. This is the daytime look, pinkish soft rose look. Do I look like a rose? Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, so this is a soft pink look, and the other one is much more purplish mauve sort of a look. So if you want to learn both looks, stay with me till the end of the video, and without further ado, let's get started. So first we'll start with a primer. This one is a Matcha Biome Probiotic Cream by Hamish. Really good for acne prone oily skin, and make sure to massage it all over your skin. Now I'm using a Semi Matte Foundation from Sapphire Cosmetics. Really good, and a dupe of Giorgio Armani foundation, and I'm dabbing it with a feather that I can all over my face. And because it's a semi-matte foundation, because we are doing a medium contour makeup, so I have to use a concealer, and I'm just going ahead with a very thin coverage. Unfortunately, I missed that clip, so yeah, straight to the La Mercier setting powder. So make sure to set it really well wherever you are using the concealer or color corrector. Literally this happened just now. One of my favorite makeup palettes just ruined. I never used it. This is the first time I was showing on camera and then. No! And now because it's a mess, I don't know how I'm gonna use the pink one. God damn it, it was a gift for me. So anyways, we're gonna use a mix of this shade like so. Okay, from here. Okay, I'm crying. It was the eyeshade that I never used it, and I was able to show you guys, and it just fell and broke. So I have no choice but to use my fingers now. So I'm gonna use this pink shade on my layer like so. The beautiful baby pink shade. And now I'm using a fluffy brush and making sure the eyeshade is evenly distributed throughout my eyelid. And because it's a light shade, so we have to accentuate it. And for that, I have used MAC Cosmetics Darkroom Eyeshade. And I'm making a winged eyeliner with it. But it looks really beautiful, really subtle. And now I'm using the highlighter from MAC Cosmetics on the high points of my face. And for the contour or the blush, I have used the same eyeliner eyeshade. That's the MAC Dark Room, and it gives a really beautiful structure and depth to the face. Now I'm filling my eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil. And now I'm using the lip liner called Toasted. It's a smoke rose beautiful lip liner, and I'm going to use it as a lipstick to give a matte effect. It goes really well with this makeup, and feel free to use any other smoked rose lipstick. For the mascara, I've used my trusted Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and I've used one coat of it because it's enough for medium contrast makeup, and you can see how gorgeous it looks. And of course, if you prefer a gloss lip, I have this option for you. It's basically a lip gloss. I know. A lot of you might be thinking that eyeshadow's a low contrast makeup, but it's not, because the eye makeup is much more dramatic and the lip color is much more bolder than the low contrast makeup. Alright, so that's the difference. And I've used a lot of dramatic blush. Like, it's lighter than the high contrast makeup, it's definitely dramatic than the low contrast makeup, so that's the difference. But you need to look closely. So if you haven't watched my low contrast makeup video, go and watch here. No, they're in the description box below. And now it's the time to do the second look. That's the evening look for medium contrast makeup. I've used a purplish shade on the lid and a silver one on the brow bone, and it's basically a muted silver shade, and I've used the same shade on the inner corner of the eyes in order to make them look bigger. And I've used Sienna blush from Bourjois, I think it's from X Factor, on the usual areas. It's a really beautiful brown blush, as you can see, and it has given such a beautiful look to this medium contrast evening look. And for the lipstick, I've used a trick like removing it, the previous one, because we have made the eyes very bold in this look. I'm gonna go with the nude lipstick. So for that, I have used MAC Antique Velvet as a lip liner, because I'm going to use a very nude lipstick from MAC called Sunblast. But because I have to use it with the dark lip liner, you can see that how it's tying the look together so well. And we are done with the makeup. So this brings us to the end of our video, and this is the final look, the evening look for the medium contrast makeup. And I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to put a thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. And if you want to know more, go to my website eyeshadowbox.com. You can purchase the product from there and from the description box below. So until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys, and ciao.